キープ Keep to keep. You know, Japanese people like to use long words which we write using katakana. It means to keep. It's from the English word keep. Keep and keep. Keep means a ticket. Kippu and chiketto, they both mean tickets. However, recently we tend to use kippu just to express train tickets. Especially youngers use chiketto for calling any other kinds of tickets such as movie or concert tickets. Anyway, the pitch accent of chiketto, chiketto or chiketto, both of them are good. Keep, kippu, keep, keep. If you have some trouble to pronounce this kippu, try to say the consonants here, as I said in those videos. Kitsupu, 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 and gradually erase this kitsupu, 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 kitsupu. Did you get that? So we can say 切符をキープする。切符をキープする。ごめん、遅くなって。ああ、切符をキープしといたよ。え、切符をキープしてくれたの？ありがとう。Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example for the Japanese pitch accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。